Welcome to Calmify Meditations. Tonight, this guided journey is designed to help you experience deep sleep, emotional healing, and a profound sense of inner rest. Let go of the day, let go of the noise, and prepare to drift into a space of peaceful relaxation. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Allow your body to settle. Allow your mind to soften. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready to rest. Close your eyes. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the bed, grounding, melting, relaxing. With each breath, imagine a warm wave of calm moving through your body. Inhale, softness. Exhale, tension. Feel your shoulders releasing. Feel your jaw loosening. Feel your chest relaxing with each breath. Your body is shifting into a healing state, a peaceful state, a state designed for deep rest. Now place your attention on your breath. Slow, gentle, effortless. Inhale healing energy. Exhale stress, worry, and fatigue. As you breathe, visualize a soft, glowing light, a soothing light of restoration, moving slowly from the top of your head, down your spine, through your arms, your chest, your legs, and all the way to your toes. This light is repairing, restoring, nurturing. Your body knows how to heal. Your mind knows how to rest. Let them work together in harmony. If any emotions surface, acknowledge them gently. You don't need to fight them. You don't need to fix them. Just breathe and let them drift away like clouds in the night sky. You are entering a state of emotional balance where your heart finds comfort, where your mind finds clarity, and where your whole being feels supported and loved. Now imagine a peaceful night landscape, a quiet place under the stars, a sanctuary created just for you. Maybe it's a soft, moonlit beach, a quiet forest at dusk, or a warm cabin glowing with candlelight. Wherever your mind chooses, let it be your place of rest. Feel the air, the peace, the serenity. Here, nothing is required of you. Here, you are completely free to relax. Your body feels heavy. Your mind feels light. And your breath feels soft and effortless. With each breath, you are falling deeper into comfort, deeper into stillness, deeper into restorative sleep. Your muscles are loosening. Your mind is calming. Your heartbeat is slowing. Feel yourself drifting between wakefulness and dreams, floating, resting, healing. You are safe. You are supported. You are loved. As you gently drift into sleep, repeat softly within your mind, I am calm. I am healing. I am ready for deep rest. Allow these words to echo quietly as your body enters a state of full restoration. Tonight, your sleep will be deep. Your rest will be healing. Your mind will wake refreshed, renewed, and at peace. Good night and sweet dreams. Namaste.